to say here has been?
I want to say it has been found to have a positive
Hmm.
impact on health of people
Hmm.
whosoever participate in it.
Okay.
It is not just about the cricket, but also about the health benefits
Okay.
of playing this sport. It
Hmm.
is an outdoor sport, and it is played. It is played in many countries, and it is very popular in India.
Hmm.
And it has been it has been played for centuries and all over the world from ancient time to present day.
Hmm. Present.
And so it has been also recognized as Olympic sport since 2012.
Okay.
Now, now recently there is a person whose name is Rinku. He hit five sixes in five balls,
Yes.
and they won the match.
See, this was the thing. I just recalled it. Okay. Not one, one, one. It's simple one.
One, win one.
Yes, one. ONE one wala jo pronunciation will be one. Okay? One. Simple. Not one or anything. One. This was the thing I wanted to correct you in the beginning, and it just completely skipped my mind.
And it was cricket.
Cricket.
Cricket. Okay.
Say present.
Present.
Uh, Look at my mouth. Huh? Present.
Present.
Present. Present.
Present.
Hmm.
Present.
Yes. Better. Better than before.
Present. Is it gift, ma'am?
Both. Present is in right now in present we are talking, and present is gift also. Better
Pre-
word for gift. I got some present from him like that. Okay,
Present. Cricket. That's all, ma'am.
great.
And
I Are you up for 1 minute challenge? Should I give you a topic for a minute? Do you want to take?
please,
Okay. Um, Amusement park. Have you ever been to amusement park?
yes, I have visited so many times amusement park. You have waterfalls and sliding seats, and
Mm,
there is swimming pool also.
mm,
You have so much crowd there.
mm,
Nowadays, technical things also coming in amusement park.
mm.
You have a vibrate sonic wave
Okay.
whenever you are swimming in the swimming pool. One vibrate wave will come to you, and
It
it
will make
will
you feel.
it
It
will
will make
throw
you
you.
feel.
It
Okay.
will make it will throw you from your position.
From your place to some other place. Okay. Great. Mm,
And yes, there are some canteen also.
mm,
You have coffee, tea, and
mm,
some snacks.
mm.
Before going to amusement park, I would say you take care one set of clothes so that you can swim or take bath, because nowadays they are not providing you some swimming suit, which is not good. Because if I am going to amusement park with my formal dress, how will I enjoy my day?
Mm. Right.
And you should wear sleepers.
Slippers.
Don't go, don't go your shoes because it they got mixed up and somebody will steal from there.
Okay. So you may lose them, or someone may steal it. You may lose them, someone may steal it.
You may lose them.
And you are good today on this 1 minute topic. And to your surprise, I have recorded this. So if you give permission, I'll upload this on YouTube. Okay. So, but after this, now I want, let's do some public speaking practice. See, this is kind of a public speaking now. You know I'm recording and you're going to be on YouTube. Okay, so people will watch you. So
I don't I don't know, ma'am. My screen also showing some recording symbol.
yes,
Know
yes,
what is that?
yes.
I'm
I recorded it. I recorded it. You see, if I would have told you, you would have become nervous. Okay. So that's why I did not tell you. But now I'm telling you. So imagine you are practicing it in public. Okay. Just like in the class, we do it. So you stand in front of the students and you speak, right? So here, now you know. So now I'm going to give you a topic. You want some time to think about it? Or, or,
what
or
what
should
topic?
we have, let's have
Sorry,
a, sorry.
I did not get it. What
Okay.
was the
Let's have a general conversation. Is that okay?
okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you remember your first day of work? The first day of your work? How was the experience?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell me about your first job as well as first day, obviously? Both.
My first my first job in supply chain was in Dower India Limited.
Okay. Hmm.
There are two buildings, green building and red buildings. So I was appointed for red building.
Hmm.
I went and I was new there. It was a fresh air and some plants, and there was a security guard. I asked him, where is COP room? He told me, you just wait here. I'll call to manager. They will
Call
tell
man.
you.
Let me call manager. Hmm.
Let me call my manager.
Hmm.
He will better.
Hmm.
So there was a sofa, big sofa. It was very comfortable. I waited. I waited there for 10 minutes, and then one person came to me. He said, "You are Arun." I said, "Yes. Today is my joining day." So he took me to the COP room and he introduced me to COP team. So I had shake hand to everyone
I shake
and
hand with
I s-
everyone.
to everyone.
I shake hand with everyone.
I shake hand everyone.
With.
Sorry. I shake hand with everyone the team, the future team which I was going to join. And there was a coordinator. He came to me. He said, "You are Arun." I said, "Yes." He said, "Okay, you sit with some ABC person, and he will train you. He will tell you what we do and how we do. You learn it, and once you learn it, I will give you some tasks. You have to complete that."
Yeah.
So he taught me so well. He was so genius person. Actually, he was my cousin brother.
Cousin, no cousin brother. Okay, only cousin.
He he
Hmm.
was my cousin. He
Hmm.
is very genius in Excel and coding.
Hmm.
So he trained me so well.
Hmm.
After that, he promoted to the green building, but I was in
Promoted, promoted नहीं, promoted,
promoted. Yes,
per नहीं, promoted.
promoted.
Okay, you have to practice it. So promoted, not promoted. Okay. Do you understand the difference between pa and ra? और pa में जो वो र की नीचे मात्रा होती है उसमें, है ना? So that is promoted. Promoted
Pa,
मात्रा वाला. नहीं, र
pa
नहीं है उसमें, मात्रा वाला.
promoted.
Yes, better than before.
let me let
Yes,
me
yes, note it down and practice
right.
it later, huh? Whatever you're noting it down, I've already asked you, go for this Cambridge dictionary and listen to those pronunciations and then you can practice.
Once I will get to know how to
Pronoun.
pronounce, I'll make it easy to pronounce, because
Good.
I'm not where I am I'm I'm skipping some things, but I'll work on it. I'm working and I will do it.
What do you
And
want to say when you said skipping? क्या बोलना चाहते थे आप? Skipping बोला जब आपने.
मैं कुछ चीजें छोड़ रहा हूँ
छोड़ रहे हो या
जो
पीछे हो रहे हो? I'm lacking behind, you can say.
yes, I'm lacking of practice.
Hmm. I'm lacking in practice these days, you can say. Hmm. Okay. So, but Arun, tell me, how did you feel? You spoke, you almost described the whole incident the first day. What feedback would you like to give yourself? You remember the day you first day and now today. What do you think?
It was
How much have you improved?
it was fantastic, and everyone was very humble,
No, 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 no.
and they
You did not understand. I'm saying, what feedback would you like to give to your English speaking? The way you spoke today, what do you think about it?
I would say if there are three levels, I
Hmm.
would go for one.
I would
I would go for medium, the middle one.
middle one. Okay. Today you were very confident when you were describing it. The first day when you came, you were like little shaky, not very sure about the grammar part, not very sure. Today you were in a very ease mode and you were just talking, talking, talking. So that's why I was trying not to interrupt you much. I just interrupted you once or twice and I was listening quietly. I was thinking, look at his confidence and the way he's describing. You did not fumble for words or
Yes.
sentences. You were speaking continuously. So it's good thing. I told you that in few
Actually,
days, yes.
uh, for the last 2 or 3 classes, I was not studying,
Hmm.
but today I came to my place at 5 p.m., and 5 to 8 I'm studying.
I was studying. Hmm.
I was studying,
Great.
and so
See,
that's
you
the
have
main.
to put some efforts. Okay, you agree with this? Okay, you can't just think that only coming here for 1 hour is going to make everything. Of course, it will help you to improve, but then if you put extra effort, the result will be obviously awesome. So yes, it is.
To
Okay,
work on.
great. Yes.